The big game is the greatest avocado consumption time of the year, so if you're like me, you make fresh guacamole for game day. You probably have a lot of leftovers. There are so many different things you can do with avocados. Such a smart thing to eat because avocados from Mexico are healthy, delicious, always nutritious. They're my favorite, which is why I partner with them. So here I have a torta, and this is potato and chorizo, lettuce, sliced avocado. Here I have a fresh focaccia bread that I topped with roasted poblanos, tomatoes, onions, ali queso fresco, the diced avocado. Here I have a chicken taquito where I sliced leftover rotisserie chicken. It's so perfect inside of these warm tacos. And here I had a half of an avocado. I took the pit out and stuffed it with a bean and corn salad. So there's so many ways to go with avocados, and I thought that watching the commercial with Molly Ringwald, it just shows how truly precious avocados are to people and what they will do to take care of them. So to go for many more recipes, go to avocadosfrommexico.com. Well, I'm working on my third cookbook, which should be coming out next year, 2021. And Pati's Mexican Table is now on its 8th season. You can watch it on PBS, you can watch it on Amazon Prime. And the next season, which is gonna take us to Sonora, the neighboring state of Arizona, and that will premiere in fall of this year. I think family mealtime is crucial for me and my family. It's when you regroup, when you can chat about what happened during the day, and especially if you have food that you love, it's great just to engage everyone, not only in the eating, but in the cooking process. So in my home, family time is usually mealtime.